Hello everyone, welcome back to your YouTube channel Honey Tech. Do you want to create stunning videos just from your photo? Open Filmora app, click on image to video, navigate to blending and select a template. Here this is the template I have selected. Click on upload and select your image and click on generate. And here wait for a minute to generate the video. Hey guys, this is the final video. Click on save and this will save into your mobile photo gallery. And these are the some of the templates I have tried. You can try it. And thanks for watching and please share and subscribe.